Hello viewers, nice to meet you all. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Hacker as Tech Geek, and in this video lecture you are going to learn about the user input in C with having space separated characters. How to take space separated characters, or you can say string in C as input by user. First of all, you have to make a data type, that character, name it ch, and if here you have to give the limit of characters. Now the next thing you have to do is make a scanf function and call %s. %c is used to get character as input, but we are taking a name as input, so we are using a string s for sequence of character, address of ch. Now we have to print it %s and ch. Now let's run the program and check what happened. Code hacker. When you see that only code is printing here, it only stored the code, because the space, actually there is predefined in C, and that the developer of C has already predefined that whenever when the data type is char and when it gets the value space, then you have to break from that value and just print the character which is before the space. The developer already developed this thing, but there is also another method developer developed, so that space can also be taken as an input by user, so to get names or sentence by user. So that's why developer also developed some another method. But this okay, let's see what are the different method. Different method is, you have to use gets, and you have to just write C here. Gets is used to take string as input by user in C. Okay, let's run our program. Okay, code hacker. You see that code hacker work by using gets. So whenever it is basic way to get string as input by user. Okay, string, even a sentence you can take from user by using this get function or get keyword. Okay, you have to always use gets. It is easy to use and it is easy to understand. So, and there is another method also come in C11, that is f gets. Okay, because in this method there is buffer flow, so I will tell you later what is buffer flow and why we use fget function. So now in this video I am here to give you an alternative way to get input by user in a scanf function. Okay, let's take input by user in a scanf function by just changing here, by just adding some different symbols here. Like you have to add square bracket, and inside square bracket you have to add the not sign and /n, and outside it you have to add %sign and $sign and C. Now it is ready to get input by user string, like with spaces. Let's run our program and check it, is it running or no. Code hacker, yeah, it's working. So these two methods are basically used in C programming language to get a string as input. Okay, but you basically, whenever you will code, you basically use gets because it is easily understandable. Sometimes you will forget this code, so you have better to use this code. Okay, and if you like my video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching.